Welcome to Quiapo Manila. Let's explore this shop called Wellmanson. Wellmanson is famous for beads and accessories, but it has all sorts of items in this store at very low prices. Look at these earrings. You can find really affordable earrings for as low as 50 pesos or sometimes even lower. These are pet accessories. Tumblers and more earrings, different kinds of dangling earrings, and these are coin purses at very affordable price of 65 pesos each. They're so cute. And these are freshwater pearl earrings, stud earrings, sold for I think less than 100 pesos. There are so many designs to choose from, different unique designs and different kinds of materials that they use for the earrings, and they're all very affordable. These are different kinds of organizers that costs around 150 pesos each. And these are makeup organizers. Here we have some nice watches, different designs, different colors for as low as 150 pesos only. Here we have some reading glasses for as low as 60 pesos for a pair of glasses. And some children's books. Also some sunglasses, but I'm not sure if it has UV protection. And here we've got some cute notebooks. And a multi-scarf. I think it's sold for 50 pesos each. And we have here some scarves, different colors. I think it's less than 200 pesos. And some cute hats. And we also have here some luxurious looking jewelries like crowns and a set of necklace and a pair of earrings, and it costs less than 500 pesos. And there's even a set that costs only 160 pesos. And then we have here some different kinds of brooch. Look at these grand looking necklaces, sold for as low as 160 pesos only. So cheap. And more cute notebooks. Some fans for 50 pesos only. And different kinds of cute stuff like sticky notes, car key holders, Wellmanson is really known for selling accessories at very, very cheap, affordable prices. So they even have here some school supplies and also some beauty tools and beauty products like skincare, mask, eyebrow makeup. Now these are the beads, and one set can cost as low as 50 pesos or even less. And here we've got different types of pendants and beads of different colors and sizes. Some cell phone accessories like cable charger. For as low as 55 pesos, you can have a set of spoon and fork and chopsticks. More beads, different shapes, different colors, pendants, and the smaller beads that you can use to make bracelets, rosaries, or even necklaces. They also have these accessories like compression stockings, knee and ankle support, and some other stuff. They also have religious accessories like different kinds of medals or pendants with images of Jesus Christ, some saints, crosses, and the Virgin Mary. Here we have different kinds of earrings with gems, different sizes, some as low as 50 pesos or even less. Hair accessories, most of them around 50 pesos only, very cheap. Different kinds of hairpins. Some high quality stones here, but I'm sure it's really cheap. And rosaries, different materials, different kinds of rosaries. We have here some Swarovski rosaries for 500 pesos. And different kinds and types of chains that you can use for making a bracelet or a necklace. So when you get the chance to visit Manila, I recommend that you drop by Wellmanson. It's very near the Quiapo Church, just walking distance, a few minutes walk. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe.
Bye.